This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Burya Bas Chananya, Meseches Peah, Perek Daled, Mishnayos. Kayetzevai, similar to the previous Mishnah, we also have the same din by Meiser, that if something becomes Chayev and Meiser while it's owned by Hektish, then it is Pater from Meiser. And the Mishnah presents the cases. Hamakdish Peiresov Achelei Bo'u La'einas HaMeiseris, someone who is Makdish their produce before it reaches the stage of Meiser, which means it was not yet smoothed as a pile. So the person was makdish it before it was smoothed out, ufda'on, and then the person redeemed it before it was smoothed out, and now they smooth out the pile of produce. So at the time of smoothing, it was owned by this person, and therefore chayavin, they are chayav in Meiser. If the person was makdish, they made it hektish mishabou la'oines ha'meisers, after it already reached the stage of Meiser, meaning that the person collected the produce and smoothed out the pile, and now it becomes Chayiv and Meiser, and then the person made the produce hektish, ufda'an, and then this person themselves, they redeemed this pile. So the halacha is, Chayavin, they are obligated, they are Chayiv to give Meiser, because it was owned by an individual and not by hektish when it became obligated in Meiser. The Mishnah concludes, Hikdishon achale nigmaru, if a person make them hektish before they were completed, meaning before smoothing out the pile, ugmaran hagizber, and then when they were hektish, the gizber, the official of the hektish, smoothed out the pile, and that's when they became obligated in Meiser. Now, hektish is not chayiv in Meiser, so this pile of produce is not obligated in Meiser. So va'achar kach b'dan, if afterwards this person redeemed the produce, and it became again this person's possessions, the halacha is that Pturim, they are exempt from Meiser. And the reason is, Shebishas Chayvasan, at the time when they became obligated in Meiser, Hayu Pturim, they were exempt from Meiser because they were owned by Hektish, and Hektish is exempt from giving Meiser.